In this video, I am going to show you how to add video in Hostinger website builder. So let's see how we can do it. From the Hostinger H panel, click on websites, click on edit website next to your Hostinger site. To add a video to our website, we are going to click on this plus icon, add element, and here is the video element. So we are going to drag it to our page. I want to add it here. So our video is now added to the page, and now we will do the settings for our video. At first we will change its position to the center. After that we will increase the height of this section. I will move the video little bit down. After that I will increase its size. So as you can see that our video now looks good. So now we will select the video, click on edit video. This is the video which is embedded to our website via YouTube link. You can use any link here. So I have copied another link from YouTube. So I am going to paste it here. And as you can see that our video is now changed. Now if you have a video on your local computer, you cannot upload a video directly to the Hostinger website builder. So if I click on upload video, it will take me to this page. Here it shows that at first we need to add our video to the Google Drive. And after that we need to embed that video. So I have uploaded a video to my Google Drive. Here it is. So I am going to open it in the new folder. After that I will select this three dots button and then click on embed item. Copy it from here and then click on OK. Go back to Hostinger website builder. Click on add element. Select embed code from here. Paste the embed code. And then click on embed code again. After that, click on update website. Click on view website. And here we will see our video. And here we will see the video that we have just embedded from the Google Drive. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.